Alright, what's up guys? So, today I am very sorry that I did not post a video yesterday, but you see, I was busy doing many things in my private area. So, I was not able to make the video, so sorry about that, but I figured I'd just mix the news of today with yesterday's. I'll try to be better with this next time. I'm very sorry. I only mixed them today instead of uploading 2 videos because there's not that much news today, so it sort of works out. But yeah, so let's just get right into it. So first off, we have this nice picture taken by the ISS, aka International Space Station. It's the Aurora with the air glow above and in the atmosphere. So this is a pretty cool picture, and actually this made me think of an idea. If you guys want, like, before every news video, because about every single day they have new photos like this, if you guys would like a section called, I don't know, like space pics or something, where I just show you cool pictures for like a minute real fast, just tell me and I'll do that. It doesn't necessarily have to be like a picture with a story behind it. It should just be a cool picture. So if you guys would like that, please tell me in the comments below. I will do so. But yeah, cool picture. Alright, next up in the news, we have Cygnus here, which was part of the International Space Station. Is now been departed, unfortunately. It is full of garbage, actually, and was sent down to Earth. And as we know, once you set something through the atmosphere down to Earth, it burns up. So if you guys saw a comet yesterday, at any time, I don't know when this left, but if you saw it, you might have seen a whole lot of garbage and a whole lot of poop. So just saying, pretty cool, pretty nice. Alright, but next up in the news, something a little more not so cool, a little more catastrophic in fact, is this asteroid, which has a sort of funky name. Not funky, it's like a weird name. 20003M26 is this asteroid's name. It doesn't have a cool name. Honestly, I don't know where that name came from or how it was made up by astronomers. If you guys know, please tell me. I would love to know. But yeah, this asteroid came, as you can see, 1.2 million miles from Earth yesterday, at a speed of 27,000 miles per hour. So we almost got shot, but it's alright. It sounded to me like the astronomers didn't even know this thing was coming, which seems kind of absurd. So guys, be prepared, we might get hit by an asteroid soon. Just saying. But yeah, pretty cool. Thank God we didn't get hit. But yeah, so next up in the news, we have the sun. And now the sun so happens, or possibly could have had a binary companion. So what that means is that there could have been 2 suns in our solar system, apparently. This is based on Harvard research from Harvard University, of course. Shout out, guys. But so apparently, if you guys know what the Oort cloud is, which I don't actually, I just found out that this thing even existed. I'm still not entirely sure it is, but apparently the formation of this Oort cloud is thought to have been formed, and it could have only been formed by 2 suns, because I guess the gravity would have to be high enough. And also, the infamous Planet 9, which we have not seen as far as I know, is possibly there because it was captured by the gravity of 2 suns. So perhaps there were indeed 2 suns at one point in our solar system, but maybe the big sun ate the little sun, twin ate a twin, I don't know. Maybe the one sun just like vanished somehow. Sort of mysterious, that's why it's a theory, I guess. But honestly, pretty cool. And guys, tell me in the comments below if you think there was 2 suns in our solar system. Are you convinced or are you skeptical? Please let me know. Alright, next up in the news, we have Elon himself, the Musk man, is back at it again with the Starlink systems. Now, if you guys don't know what Starlink is, it is basically a low Earth orbiting satellite system, and this system is actually very useful for people in rural areas who don't have like phone lines and stuff. So yeah, very nice. But apparently his Starlink systems have been photobombing comets recently, a lot actually, and currently they actually only have 600 Starlink satellites in the air or in the atmosphere at the moment. So, but they could have 1,200, I believe is the amount they could have. So we might have double the amount of Starlink satellites in the atmosphere. But nice to know, nice to know. Elon, get your game together, man. But also, the thing with these satellites too is that they could be malfunctioning due to a dent in the magnetic field. Oh, I forgot to mention, by the way, going back, Elon, what am I saying thank for? Congratulations for breaking a record for reusable Starlink satellites, because he has reused a Starlink capsule, I believe, or launched the same Starlink like 10 times as of today, I'm pretty sure. So good on you, Elon. Nice success. Love what you're doing. But yeah. Alright, anyway, back to the magnetic field dent. I know that's sort of more important. So NASA is tracking currently a dent in the magnetic field, and this could be causing satellites, not just the Starlink ones, but maybe other ones, to be malfunctioning. And this right here is this split, I guess you could say, is over South America, and it actually might be getting wider. So the only thing I really know the magnetic field does primarily is block out like UV radiation, or rather solar waves or something that help get rid of UV radiation, something like that. But anyway, they help in the process of blocking UV radiation. So if it's breaking, I hope this doesn't mean that there's going to be more UV radiation coming in, and I hope this phenomenon going on is repairable in some way, because if it's not, this could mean something very, 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 very bad, which I'm not sure what that would be, but it's bad. So yeah, NASA, figure it out. Damn. Alright? But yeah, next up in the news though, we have something a little bit more interesting than that, in my opinion. Because you know how I like the planetary regime. Is that what it's called? Anyway, so they found these caverns, supposedly made by lava, in both the moon, which is pictured here, and on Mars. So what this means is that we could possibly make shelters in these caverns, because it would help block radiation, and that would be a big thing to take care of. So we might have a place to put our soon-to-be civilizations on the moon and Mars. Who knows? Also, it could help with underground exploration. Pretty cool. I like it. But yeah, can't wait to see that. You might be cave dwellers in the future. Your children might be cave dwellers in the future. I don't know. Alright. But next up in the news, and I believe the last thing in the news, is this man. This man right here. His name is James Dickinson. He's an army general. He seems like a pretty good army general. But he has been promoted to space commander Yes, that's right, Space Commander. I did not know this was a thing. Apparently he was in the space business of things before this. But he almost sounds like a Star Trek captain. But good on you, James Dickinson, my bad. I believe he was promoted by President Trump himself, so interesting. I've been noticing recently, actually, the government is getting more involved. Or more interested in the space thing, so this might be one of those things. Also, they've, in their memo for this year, they have space research as a big priority once again. They're sort of underfunding NASA, as they're only giving them literally 1/10 of what they asked for. So NASA, I believe, asked for $150 million to fund their space research, and they are only given $15 million. So, and that happened, I believe, last year also as well. So a little suspicious. Not suspicious, a little sad, I should say. They probably have a lot of bigger things on their mind, you know, like COVID research and the economy breaking down and all that. But yeah, but also, an interesting thing that happened this year is that they're making low Earth orbiting a bigger priority than they had before. And they made it clear that the reason they're doing this is because they think it will help them go to the moon. And then they want this. They've clearly said that they'd like to go to the moon and possibly set up bases there in order to get to Mars. So the government is really like interested in the space travel at the moment. So I really like this. I hope this means better funding in the future. But yeah, tell me what you think about this. I think it's pretty good. Hope they don't like corrupt everything or anything, though I don't know how they could really. But yeah, leave it in the comments below. But that's all I got for today. Sorry for being late once again. I will try very, very hard to upload tomorrow. I don't have anything much to do tomorrow, so I should be able to and consistently do it. But if I cannot, at some point I will tell you guys in the video on the next day. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow, probably. So yeah, bye for now.